How to access OneDrive online. If you want to use the OneDrive and wondering on how to access it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. So onto the mobile phone, you can simply access the OneDrive by using the OneDrive application. For that, go to the App Store and tap on to search bar and type OneDrive and open it. Then here you can find the Microsoft OneDrive, so tap on it and simply download it. So by downloading it, you can simply access the application of OneDrive. Next is you can simply access it using the web browser. Tap on to Google and simply type OneDrive login just like this. And you can simply sign in into the OneDrive account. And that's it. This is how you can access OneDrive online. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.